Do what it do. It's your boy, Mr. TJ Santana. Right now, you're tuned in to behind the scenes of the In the Rain video shoot. We're getting that exclusive footage behind the scenes. My man Katy Perry behind the lens. You know how we get it. Compton on motherfucking day. Yeah.